In this video, we will be installing front shock absorbers on a Jeep Wrangler JK 2013. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Brand instruction, safety warning sheet for installation, brand sticker and shock absorber, tools required for the front shock absorbers removal and installation. F-type extension wrench, large torque wrench, 18 millimeters deep wrench, 17 millimeters deep wrench, 15 millimeters deep quick wrench, large size short extension, 18 millimeters long socket, 18 millimeters short socket, large size electric impact wrench. Use an 18 millimeters long socket with a short extension to loosen the wheel hub bolts. Lift the vehicle. Use an 18 millimeters long socket with an electric impact wrench to loosen the hub bolts. Remove the hub. Use an 18 millimeters wrench with an 18 millimeter socket and F-type extension wrench to remove the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Remove the nut. Use a 17 millimeters wrench to remove the upper shock absorber mounting bolt and nut. Hold the shock and then remove the upper mounting bushing. Press down the shock and remove the lower bolt. Remove the shock to install a new one. Before installation, remove the nut first, then upper washer and bushing. Fit the shock absorber into the front axle mounting hole. Install the bolt. Press down the shock. Fit into the upper shock absorber mounting bolt hole. Fit the bushing and washer. Raised side of the bushing downward, raised side of the washer upward. Install the bushing, washer, and bolt. Use a 15 millimeters wrench to secure the new upper mounting nut of the shock absorber. Tighten the upper nut. Tighten it. Install the lower mounting nut of the shock absorber and tighten it. Use an 18 millimeters wrench with an 18 millimeter socket. Torque it to 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pounds with torquey wrench. Install the wheel hub and the hub bolt. Use an 18 millimeters long deep socket and a short extension with a large electric impact wrench to tighten the hub bolts. Repeat on the opposite side. Lower the vehicle. Torque the wheel hub bolts to 150 Newton meters or 110 foot-pounds with an 18 millimeters long deep socket, a large short extension, and a large torquey wrench.